Vietnam is changing every day. English is an international language. Can you give me your telephone number? I have a good memory. Is there anything wrong? Learn something new every day. You are very helpful. Jennifer, would you like to have a dinner with me? Yes, that would be nice. When do you want to go? Is today okay? Sorry, I can't go today. How about tomorrow night? Okay, what time? Is 9 p.m. alright? I think that's too late. Is it okay? Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go? The Italian restaurant on 5th Street. Oh, I don't like that restaurant. I don't want to go there. How about the Korean restaurant next to it? Okay, I like that place. Thank you so much for listening.